I'm a clinical dietitian, Urvi of Diet and Wellness Clinic, and I'm also attached with two other clinics and a multi-specialty hospital. In this video, we'll talk about food cravings. So food craving is such a big issue when we are on a particular diet, or sometimes as such we want to manage our weight, we want to maintain a good health condition, or sometimes we want to reduce our weight. At that time, such food craving creates a lot of trouble. So today I will give you 5 tips with help of that. You can definitely win over your food cravings, and it will also help you in the long term to maintain your health condition. So, but before saying that, we will see what is food craving. So, food craving is an urge to eat some specific food at that particular time. There can be many type of food cravings, but here we'll talk about the food cravings of junk food, fried food, fast food, and sugar and sugary products. Such all unhealthy type of food cravings, they are very harmful for our good health condition, and it is very important to get rid of such food cravings. So actually, as a human being, we all know that which food is good for us and which is not. Even all the living beings, for that matter, even birds and animals, and all know that which food is good for them. So human beings are much more smarter than that. So we all know. Many people, after eating some unhealthy food, they feel guilty, even. So the tips which I will give you will definitely help you overcoming such food cravings. So my first tip is, whenever you will have a craving of such food, sit down and drink 1 glass of water. So when you will do that, you can see that you will have a slight filling effect. You will have after drinking water, you can easily divert your mind towards either some other work or maybe some other food. So this is a very simple tip, but it is very useful. My second tip is that we all need 6 to 7 hours of sound sleep. So when we will not have such rest, proper rest, then when we wake up in the morning, we will feel dizzy. Sometimes we will not feel fresh, and at that time, what our brain will do, that it will immediately takes us towards some sugar and sugary products. So we will start thinking of such food, because our brain needs instant energy at that time. So it will takes us towards simple sugar. So to avoid such things, what we can do, that after 10 p.m. we can stop using all our gadgets, all the screen that we are using. So we should totally stop everything, and what else we can do is that you start using dim light after 10 p.m. so that whenever we will sleep, even after half an hour or 1 hour after that, then also we will have a sound sleep. So this is the second tip. Third tip is that stop purchasing such unhealthy, packaged and processed food and keeping it at home. Whenever we will have a small hunger, then if we will have such food at home, definitely we will go towards that and we will eat that. So it will be difficult to resist such food at that time. Instead of that, start purchasing colorful fruits and keep it at home in a place where all the members can easily see it, so that when you will have a small hunger, you will go for that, and you can easily resist such food. It is nowadays, our markets are flooded with many packaged foods, and a lot of bakery, and they are all very attractive. So it is difficult to resist that if it is at home. So try avoiding all such foods and keeping it at home. My fourth tip is that it's a vicious cycle. If you eat more outside food, and if you will eat more junk food, then you will have a more craving towards junk food. So it is nowadays it is proven by research that the more we will eat junk food and processed food, the more we will have a craving for it. To overcome such things, consciously avoid eating outside food, junk foods, and you can decrease the frequency of such foods, so that you will definitely have less cravings for such foods. Okay, my fifth tip is that when you will have such cravings, what you can do, that you write down 5 negative points of specific food craving. If you have, for example, you will have a craving for french fries. So what you can do, that write down 5 points, negative points. So it how it harms us, how it is unhealthy for us, and what harm it does to us. If you write 5 points and read it daily, then your subconscious mind will not tell you to eat such foods. So definitely you will see that if you read it daily, then there will be less craving. So this is a very important tip again. One special tip is that after using all the 5 tips, still if you are not able to overcome a specific food craving for a specific food, then what you can do, that the spoil the image of that particular food in your mind. So see some picture of the spoiled image of that particular food, and keep it in your mind. So or you can see it when you want. So if by spoiling the image of that particular food, you will never go for it. So guys, it is really important to get rid of such craving for unhealthy foods. So I hope these tips will definitely help you to overcome your food cravings and live a healthy and happy life. Thank you.